what happens is, if let's say you have those 25 different hormonal markers and you want to predict, I don't know, some other new kind of hormonal health, but you use all of the data to kind of build the model, what happens is you're going to get the best fitting model for all of the data that you have. But the best fitting model for all of the data you have doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work for any other data that's not necessarily in that data set. So you want to build the model, but you always have to validate it in the real world. And that was the challenge with, I can't remember the data set from the pandemic, but if you remember, it was like every 10% fatality rate early on. We're going to lose 1 million people in 3 months type of thing. But it was, they were tuning the data, but they had no real world output data, right? So all it was really doing was just fitting to a growth curve, right? An unfettered growth curve, because it was lacking the critical contextual information around how the virus would spread, the response, the social response, all of these other inputs that couldn't possibly be modeled, but that were mediating factors that then changed how that trajectory went. So not only was it off, it was off by an order of magnitude, an order factor of 10.